friends, Pradeep Pendyala, Professor of Anesthesiology at Ashram Medical College, your buddy. Friends, today I am going to tell you about snake bite. Don't get alarmed. Snake bite and also its treatment. God forbid, if a snake bites you and you are in danger, I'll tell you what is to be done and how to get yourself treated. Now listen to me carefully. A snake bite is an injury caused by the bite of a snake, especially a venomous snake. A common sign of a bite from a venomous snake is the presence of two puncture wounds from the snake's fangs. Sometimes venom injection from the bite may occur, sometimes it doesn't. This may result in redness, swelling, and severe pain at the area of the bite, which may take up to an hour to appear. Subsequently, there could be vomitings, blurred vision, tingling of the limbs, and sweating may result. Friends, most of the bites are usually on the hands, arms, or legs. Fear following the bite is very common, with symptoms of tachycardia, racing of heart, and feeling of faintness. You may become even unconscious with fear. Bites may result in breathing problems, tissue death, that is known as necrosis. It can also cause severe bleeding from the area of its bite and all over the body also. Kidney failure, a severe allergic reaction. And as I said, breathing problem, that could be dangerous. Bites may result in loss of limb, or it can cause chronic problems subsequently if you survive. The outcome depends on the type of the snake, the area of body bitten, the amount of venom injected in you, and the general health of the person before being bitten. Problems are usually more in children, and it could be very severe compared to adults because they are usually of small size. That's the reason. Now, snakes administered bites. Now, think about from the point of view of snake. Why do they bite? Both as a method of hunting and as a means of protection to self. Snake has to protect itself. So that is the protective mechanism for the snakes. Risk factors for bites include working outside with one's hands, such as in farming, forestry, and if you are doing some construction work, chances of you being bitten is very high. Snakes commonly involved in envenomation include elapids. Now, what are these elapids? You have heard kraits, cobras, they come in this group. Vipers and sea snakes. The majority of the snake species do not have venom. They are not poisonous. And they normally kill their prey by squeezing them. That's how they kill their prey. P-R-E-Y. Venomous snakes can be found almost anywhere of the world except one place, that's known as Antarctica. Now, determining the type of snake that caused the bite is often impossible. Now, can you imagine the prevention of snake bite can involve wearing protective gloves, protective footwear, avoiding areas where snakes live. Don't go to the areas when you know that snakes are living in that area. Don't be very brave. And be cautious and not handling the snakes. Don't handle the snakes and start playing with it. Don't have it as a pet. Treatment partly depends on the type of snake. Washing the wound with soap and water. The moment you are bitten, wash the wound with the soap and water. And holding the limb still, immobilize that area. Don't start walking and running and panicking. Keep the limb still as if you have had a fracture of that area. Keep it still, not moving it. Trying to suck out the venom is very foolish act. Don't ever try to do sucking out of the blood, venom. Don't suck out the venom. Cutting the wound, which used to be told earlier, with a knife or blade is not recommended. Underscore is not recommended. And using a tourniquet is also not recommended. Tourniquet is also not recommended. So many people have been telling you, suck out the venom, cut the wound with a knife or a scalpel or a blade, and using a tourniquet above the thing. Everything have been ruled out. They are not supposed to be done. Just keep the area, immobilize it. Don't start moving that area still, and don't start walking or running. Take the help of somebody to go to the nearest hospital where anti-venom can be given. Now, what is this anti-venom? Anti-venom to the snake bite is very effective. It can prevent death from bites. However, the anti-venom per se can cause allergic reactions and side effects. So, anti-venom we normally administer as the last resort. The type of anti-venom needed depends on the type of snake involved. When the type of the snake is not known, anti-venom is often given based on the types known to be in that area. So that's that. I beg to stop my lecture here itself. More in my next interaction with you. Until then, goodbye. I'm signing off right now. I'm Colonel Pradeep Pendiala. Bye bye. Take care.